Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to BreezyBuzz News. I'm your host. Today we're talking about a developing story that's got everyone buzzing. Chris Brown has returned to the stage in Manchester just a month after being arrested over an alleged nightclub bottle attack. Let's dive into what happened. So, Chris Brown, 36, was released on £5 million bail last month after being charged with causing grievous bodily harm to music producer Abe Dio at a club night called Dirty Martini in Mayfair back in February 2023. The rapper was allegedly involved in an unprovoked attack, hitting Mr. Dio over the head with a bottle multiple times and then punching and kicking him as he lay on the floor. The incident was caught on CCTV, and prosecutors claim that Chris Brown's actions were extremely serious. But what's even more interesting is how he managed to get back on stage just days after his arrest. According to reports, Chris was shielded by staff behind a large whiteboard while leaving the five-star Lurie Hotel, where he was detained by police. Now, you might be wondering how Chris Brown was able to fulfill his tour dates in Europe, the US, and Canada despite being on bail. Well, it turns out that his passport is currently being held by lawyers and police until he needs it for a tour date. It's been arranged that his passport will be handed over to a solicitor from law firm Hickman and Rose before being returned to Chris so he can travel. But that's not all. The conditions of his bail mean that he must reside at an address in the UK and can only access his passport when he needs it for a tour date. And get this, his passport will be held by a US lawyer named Mr. Matthew Kamen until August, just to make sure Chris doesn't leave the jurisdiction. Now, we know Chris Brown has been through some controversies before, but this one's got everyone talking. He was even charged with grievous bodily harm and is due in court in Manchester on Friday. The Crown Prosecution Service is urging fans not to share any information online that could prejudice these proceedings. So there you have it, the latest on Chris Brown's return to the stage despite being on bail for an alleged nightclub attack. It's a story that's got everyone buzzing, and we'll be keeping a close eye on developments in this case. Stay tuned for more updates from BreezyBuzz News.